In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Doordash Dasher app. So here's how we can do it. First, make sure you have completely closed the app, and we're gonna go into our App Store. So load up your Apple Store. Here, we will use the search bar to search for Dasher, like so. Select search, and we want to find Doordash Dasher. So click on the application itself, and here if it says open, then that means that you have the most up-to-date version. But if it says update, then we can just select update, and this is going to give you or automatically update the app for you. Like I said, if it says open, then we have the most up-to-date version and we can use all of the available tools that the app has to offer. So I hope this helps. Hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.